All right, and I'm here with Catherine, spiritual director. Now, Catherine, what can you tell us about Tuesday nights here at EHM?
What I think is so exciting about our Out of the Cold program, which I think it's already been mentioned is the only one in Toronto, November to December, what's really amazing is when people come in, they are welcomed as a familiar face, as part of our Evangel Hall family. They know as they come in, they're going to have immediate access to food. There'll be something on TV, there'll be tables if they're wanting to play cards or cribbage or somehow socialize. We have access to showers. The showers are female only, which is really quite amazing to think that if I'm going to want to have a shower, it's one person at a time. Only my gender has used that shower. It's private and it's time for me. The same is true for the male showers. So we put as much dignity into that service as we can. We also have laundry facilities downstairs. So it's not just coming in to sleep, it's coming in to be welcomed, to be safe, to make oneself feel better in cleanliness and clothing, to eat together, to break bread together, to know that there's going to be a hot meal as well. And on the other side of that, there will be safe space to rest in. The Out of the Cold is from November to the 1st of April. In terms of Evangel Hall, we don't close. We're open 7 days a week, every day of the year. We will be open Christmas Day. We'll be having a sit-down Christmas dinner Christmas Day, and we'll be serving people at the table and just celebrating the warmth and goodness of that day with a hot meal prepared by volunteers, prepared by people who are right now planning how to make that meal particularly special.
All right, Catherine, well, you spoke about Out of the Cold, which is awesome. Now, what about Out of the Heat?
Because outside is not necessarily safe, especially in the evening throughout the year, what we do in the hotter periods or the hotter seasons, we're able to bring people out of the heat because we become a cooling station. And that means we become a safe place where people can come in, they can access water, they can access air conditioning, and they can know that as long as they're inside our doors, they're safe and we looked after. I'm sure you noticed that the front door is actually locked. That door is locked because 1/3 of the people who come here happen to be women. And we can say that 1/3 of our people are women because they feel safe. That locked door says, when you come here, we will look after you. We will make sure that your needs are taken care of, and we will honor you as we honor ourselves.
Absolutely. Just in time for the holidays. Let's get home for the holidays. Thank you so much, Catherine.